My dear students, how are you? I am also fine. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Dear students, there are bad situations in the whole world. You know that these bad situations are coronavirus spread all over the world. It is very dangerous virus for human being. Today I am going to start a new class for class 9 English second paper and composition grammar voice change. Voice change. Voice বাচ্চো বাচ্চো voice there are two kinds of voice. They are one active voice, two passive voice. কর্তৃবাচ্য কর্মবাচ্য কর্তৃবাচ্য active voice, all time subject active, all time subject active, and passive voice all time subject inactive. That means active I eat rice, subject verb object, subject active. Here the subject active, and we change now passive. Active voice object, passive voice will be subject. Rice verb present from eat. That is why according to subject here set up am is are. Am is are. Rice is verb always first participle from, will be first participle from. Rice is eaten. Eaten by I changes me. Okay? I eat rice. Rice is eaten by me. I eat rice active voice, and passive voice rice is eaten by me. Subject inactive, subject active. Here subject active. My dear students, voice change there are two kinds of voice. They are active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice. Follow the class very carefully. I changes me. We changes us. They change will be change them. THEM them. Okay. He, him, she, her. Okay. I, me, we, us, they, them, he, him, she, her. Always changes different types of sentences. Okay. I play 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 football. Put BALL ball. Passive. Object subject football. FOO T foot B A double L. Football is played. P L R Y it is played by me. It is present tense. It is present tense. I play football. Football is played by me. My dear students, write down in your khata this topic says. It is very important for you. You always uses these trophies. And those who are study frequently tenses, he will be completed this sentence because it is related tenses. Okay, my dear students, present tense, this sentence is present indefinite. I will be changed it present continuous. Number 2, active. I am playing 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 football. BALL. Okay, this sentence is present continuous tense. This sentence is a present continuous tense. I am playing football. I am playing football. And now it will be changed. Passive. Passive. Football. FOOT foot. BALL football is being. ING alternative with foot it being will be being. BEING. Okay, football is being played. PLAYED played by me. This sentence is present continuous tense. Always ing from will be passive being. I am playing football. In this sentence is present continuous. Any continuous tense ing from will be being only for passive. Next, active. We write. We are writing a letter. LETTER. We are writing a letter. This sentence is present continuous. Passive. Passive. A letter is being. BEING. A letter is being. Being wrote. Written. WRITTEN. Written by we asked. Written by us. Okay, we changes us. Passive we changes us. A letter is being written by us. My dear student, it is very important topic for you. Always, it is related another grammar. We change present perfect tense. We have written. WRITTEN. Written a letter. LETTER. Present perfect tense. We have written a letter. This sentence is present perfect tense. Okay, my dear student, we have written a letter. Present perfect tense changes a letter. LETTER. A letter remain here alternative words. a letter has been written, WRITTEN, written by us. Okay, has will be been. Have has active voice in perfect tense, present perfect tense. Have has remain, alternative or changes been. Here written, past participle from written by us. Okay. Number 2, you have done the work. Work. You have done the work. This sentence is a present perfect tense. In the same condition, passive, the work has been done. Done by you. The work has been done by you. The work has been done by you. The work has been done by you. Okay, my dear students, there are 3 tenses I discussed. Present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and changes voice. Okay, next, first indefinite. First indefinite. We ate rice. This sentence is the first indefinite tense. Ate, first form. We identify this sentence first tense, present past, verb 2, object, subject. Same condition, passive, rice, rice, was, past tense. Here will be was. Rice was eaten, past participle from eaten, PP. EATEN, eaten by us. Okay, we recognize this sentence past indefinite tense. The verb always will be first tense. Okay, active. She cooked, COOKED, cooked rice, RIC, cooked, past. Okay, passive, rice, RIC, rice was cooked, COOKED, cooked by her. Okay, my dear students, are you understand? I discuss now 4 sentences or 4 tenses. We discuss present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and past indefinite tense. Okay, it is very important for you. Next class we discuss about many things, and you connected my class. If you do not understand any things, you will question me, I shall reply you. I hope that all students will show my class and will give me like, subscribe me. Okay, my dear student, I shall hope that you will join next class. And next class, thank you very much all of students. Thank you. Okay.